Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Speak English Now. Today I want to talk to you about talking on the phone with others. This is one of the most important parts of my channel and it's one of the most practical things that we all need to know. Phone conversations are very difficult because we can't see the other person, we can't see their facial expressions, hand gestures, or body language, and we only understand what they mean by their tone of voice. So it's very, very important to know how to talk on a phone in different situations. This is the first part of the phone conversation video, and the second part is on the way. Speaking on the phone has many different aspects. For example, knowing the person you're calling can significantly impact your conversation. If you know the person, you can greet them in a friendly and casual way. For example, you can say, "Hey, hi," in a friendly way. "Hey, it's Jack." If you're calling someone that you don't know, you could say, "Hello, Jack is speaking." "Hi, my name is Jack." And then explain the reason for your call. "Hi, my name is Jack. I'm calling about the lost parcel." Or you can say, "Hello, this is Jack. I'm just returning your call. Please explain the reason for your call clearly." And actually, if this person on the phone knows you well enough to recognize your voice, then you can just say, "Hey, it's me." It's also a good idea to take a moment to check whether or not the person that you've called is free to talk at the moment or not. For example, you can say, "Hey, this is a good time to talk. Have you got 5 minutes to chat?" This is a very polite way to move along from the initial greeting and into the more important or the business part of your call, the reason why you're calling. But what about when you don't really have time to talk or it's not a good time to talk? What do you say then? Sometimes we need to get off the phone quickly, so you can easily let them know by saying, "Hi, I'm in a meeting right now. Can I call you back in about half an hour?" It's a polite way to say, "I can't speak with you right now." Request information. Now, one of the main reasons why we make a phone call in the first place is to find something out or request something. So, it's really important that you let that person know exactly why you're calling. So, make it clear at the start of a conversation. "Hello, this is Jack. I'm calling to find out how long my delivery will take." "Hi there, I'm a customer of yours. I'd like to speak to someone about my account." Dead end. Sometimes you might hit a dead end when the person you're talking to isn't able to give you any helpful or relevant information. So at this moment, you can say, "Is there someone else I can speak to about this?" Or, "Can you direct me to the right person to talk to about this?" This is a polite and professional way. Please be clear on the phone. And when you don't understand or can't hear what they said and need to repeat that, you can use these phrases. "Did you say that the cafe closes on Sunday?" I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, it cut out. Could you repeat that? Sorry, the connection is really bad. I can't hear you. Can you repeat it? When they speak so fast, you can say, Sorry, would you mind slowing down a little? Alright, we've reached the end of this selection. Be sure to subscribe the channel Speak English Now and give the video a like. In part 2 of this phone call collection, I'm gonna teach you some super useful higher level English phrases. I'll cover things like interrupt politely, asking for more time, show appreciation, and end a call. So stay tuned for part 2.